Hello! In this video we will see how to install the Hexabot CLI, create a new project, and then run it locally and access the admin user interface. By the end of this video, you will have a working Hexabot development environment. So before we start, you'll need to make sure that Node.js is installed. If not, please check the link in the description to learn how to install Node.js on your local machine. And then next, you will need to have a package manager such as npm or yarn. For this tutorial, we will use npm just to keep things simple. So let's install the CLI globally by typing the npm install command on your terminal. Once that's done, you can type hexabot just to see if the command is working well. Next, we will type hexabot create and then the name of the project. And this will initiate a new project from the starter template. Note that you can later create your own templates for your own custom projects. So I will need to set my initial admin account informations. And then enter the initial admin password. And this will create a folder with the name of the project that contains all the source files, and it will install the Node modules that are needed for this project. So next, I'll cd into the project and then run the command hexabot dev, but you can also use npm run dev to start the project. So the Node.js app will start on the localhost 3000 port. And here I'll enter my username and password to access the instance. So initially, the guided tour will invite me to create a new workflow, just to get a sense on how to create a new workflow by adding steps. So each step could be an action that I need to be executed. So for instance, here I'll select the send text message, which will send a hello world text. So if I type here hello, just to test it out, it will run the workflow and then return the hello world message I have configured. So this is it, and we will see a lot more about Hexabot in the next videos. Thank you for watching.